Hello and welcome to Fix 64. I'm Darren Hadley, and today I am taking a look at a headset from a company I'm very familiar with as far as microphones go, and that is Fifine. I found that Fifine makes excellent sounding devices at a great value. I've been using one of their desktop mics for in-game talking for years, and so today I am reviewing the Fifine H9 headset. This headset comes in three colors, white, black, and pink, and I opted for the white one. So I am going to unbox these and go over some of the features and also demo the microphone output for you eventually. So let's get going. All right, let's see what we've got. User guide. The headset. Very comfortable. And this is really cool. Here's the detachable mic. And this is a control box you can use. 3.5 millimeter jack can go into and turn it into a USB headset. Even has a place you can put it on your shirt or wherever. So yeah, I mean, look at the cord length. That is awesome. So this just attaches right there, and you have a microphone that's extremely adjustable. Yeah, I mean, it fits all kinds of heads and everything, and these are just, wow, extremely soft. So I could see playing for hours with this. The H9 is an all-in-one solution, so there's no need to purchase a separate microphone. The included detachable boom mic ensures clear voice transmission, and its rich sound quality making it a perfect match for gaming and streaming and heck, even content creation. And it can also be detached during single-player gaming for pure immersion in sound. The Fifine H9 has an authentic 7.1 surround sound accurately that captures in-game environmental sounds such as footsteps and wind and gunshots and plane engines. And, well, I could go on and on. So it provides an immersive audio experience. The H9 also has a frequency response range which covers 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and it also has a 50 millimeter dynamic driver. So that balances low frequency impact and high frequency clarity, and it's suitable for both music and gaming and creative work. With the H9's ultralight build plus airflow cushions, you can game for hours and feel nothing. It weighs in just 329 grams with breezy earpads and an adjustable headband, and no heat or pinch during marathon sessions. So yeah, you can just keep playing, keep listening, keep talking. Great for Discord, all that. Now with its 124 inch, which is massive, nylon cable, it's easily accessible from your device's back area, whether it's a computer, PS4, PS5, Xbox, whatever. You can reach your head, no problem, and freely move around your desk. The H9 has a dual 3.5 millimeter and /USB connector for plug and play domination anywhere. So handhelds, anything with a 3.5 millimeter jack or a USB hookup. It's USB compatible with PS4 and PS5, or switch in docked mode, while the 3.5mm jack works and performs great on Xbox game controllers. I can just plug them right into the game controller. Phones, tablets that have headphone jacks. And also, I'm going to try putting an adapter to USB-C for phones that have that input and output. So yes, you can dominate the gaming field while staying stylish and comfortable and play for hours and hours. I like the adjusters too. They have multiple areas so that you get the exact level on each side. I'm not sure if the pads are replaceable or the headband. I don't think they are, but I mean, this is a $40 headset usually, and I think it's on sale right now for $33. So excellent price. And the quality is great for the price. It's a good value all around. Okay, now I'm going to try one of my USB to USB-C adapters and see if I can record right in from my phone and talk to you this way. Oh wow, these are so comfortable. Very nice. There's the 7.1 surround. There's a mute microphone button. I just muted it. And there's plus and minus buttons for the volume, of course, and for the mic volume. So we will see how this sounds, or if it even worked with my phone with an adapter. Okay, I confirmed it and they work fine. That whole last sentence and everything I said was through the microphone. I'm wearing them right now. I can't get over how comfortable these are. They're awesome. Then I can just clip that to my pocket, and now you can rage on a game, and you can start yelling at people and go, "No, you cheated," and all kinds of stuff like that. No. I've been playing Forza Horizon right now with them, and they sound amazing in the 7.1 mode. I love it. For the price on these things, it's absolutely insane how good they sound. I mean, I'm highly impressed with these, and I highly recommend them. So yeah, if you're looking for a new headset, definitely keep the Fifine H9 in your head. Music sounds really, really good in them. And even through the headphone jack on the MacBook Neo. Perfect. Very immersive sound. It's excellent. The microphone sounds excellent. I'd like to thank Fifine for sending over the H9s for me to play with. I am very impressed with this, especially for the price. I mean, $33 right now? Awesome. I'm also talking through the microphone right now. So, yes, it's comparable to some of my other Fifine mics, and it sounds really good. Now let me put it on mute again. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? And I love the fact it's 7.1. I can't wait to play Call of Duty or Battlefield and get better at those games. I'd also like to thank my viewers and subscribers, and if you like this sort of thing, please click the like and subscribe buttons. And if you want to know when my next video is out, please click the bell button, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.